This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin with a few essentials. Open Opera GX and confirm it's the GX mobile build so you get the integrated VPN option. Once done, make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile connection because a flaky link delays the VPN handshake. If you plan to use an external VPN app instead of Opera's built-in tool, have your credentials or accounts set up now. Tap the Opera GX icon and move immediately to the browser settings to locate the VPN toggle. Now configure the VPN inside Opera GX. Go to Settings, then Privacy, and flip the VPN toggle to On. You'll see an option to pick a virtual location. Select a nearby server first to verify speed, then switch to other regions for content access. This changes your IP and routing. Make sure ad blocking and data saver settings are compatible. Some aggressive optimizers can break secure tunnels. Test by loading a geo-restricted page and checking the browser's VPN badge for an active connection. To complete, confirm the VPN icon is active in the address bar and reload pages that previously blocked you. You should see content that was region locked. If performance is slow, switch to a different server or temporarily disable data saver. Latency and packet loss often stem from server load. If the VPN fails entirely, clear Opera GX cache, update the app, or reboot your device. As a final fallback, install a reputable external VPN app and route traffic through it instead of...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.